and welcome to the JLP Services Inc. channel. What I'm about to do today is actually make two things. But we're going to start off with finishing up an axe. This is actually going to be a felling axe. I'm guessing right now probably around 6 pounds, between 5 and 6 pounds. Anyways, I already did one half, and this project I started a couple of years ago with a friend helping me with striking, and this was how far we actually had gotten. It was on, I don't know, Christmas Eve or something like that. So the idea is now is that this is actually half forged. So the next part is actually to make this other side look just like this side. And that's what we're after now, and then it'll be folded and welded. Some people call this a bow tie or a butterfly welded axe or style. It could be hatchet or an axe. Here is one that I recently had done. This is actually a hatch axe. I call it a hatch axe because it's a very light head. It's like a 1 3/4 pounds, extremely light head on a longer handle. It's almost what's actually considered a boy's length handle, boy's axe handle. So it's a longer handle, so you get better velocity, but this swing's really, really nice. So anyways, we're making almost the same style of head, except it's going to be much bigger. It doesn't seem like it right now, but it's actually going to be probably 6 inches wide. It's going to be 6 inches. Yeah, excuse me. This is like, 4, so it's going to be like 6 inches, just under 6 inches, but it's going to be a lot longer. So this one's like, you can see 5 3/4. So this is also really thin. This blade is going to be really thin. But really, we're going to probably end up, the blade overall is probably going to be close to 7, 7.5. And it's probably going to be about 6 inches overall length or overall height. And I'm hoping to come in, like I was saying, about between 5 and 6 pounds. So here is the blank. Here is the axe mandrel. This is actually the bottom mandrel, and this represents the same as the axe handle as far as the overall geometry and size goes. And I'll grab a handle in a little bit to when we get to that point. But anyways, let's get started, and we'll get this going. Normally it takes about 6 hours with help to do a larger axe like this. Really, it takes 6 hours to do pretty much any of the axes in this style, even if they're smaller. So even like in a carving hatchet or something like that, it still takes about 6 hours. I found that there isn't much time difference between them. It's rather a slow process right now. We just got done making a tool to actually be able to make this. So we're kind of in the setup time frame.
Yeah, but that's cool. I mean, it's always great when you can make the tool you need.
Blacksmithing is one of the few trades that
not really